Hello, I'm joined here today by Parisa, who is going to help us demonstrate a proper stance and why it's so important in our recoil control. So Parisa, what I'd like to ask you to do is to get into a good basic stance, which is just feet shoulder width apart. So go ahead and face me and feet about shoulder width apart. Perfect. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her a little bit of simulated recoil here. So go ahead and stick your arms straight out for me. Lock those elbows, good. And you see she's got her arms straight out like she would in a good shooting position. So now what we're going to do is we're going to give her a little bit of simulated recoil, not much to start. Just give her some recoil like as if she was shooting the gun. Now I'm going to up that simulated recoil just a little bit. So as I give her more, you'll see she wants to lean back, and now freeze frame there. You see what happened to her feet. She took one foot about a half step back. It wasn't a dramatic step. It was about a half step back. In fact, if you look at it, you see her foot is in, or excuse me, her toes are actually in line with her heel there. So she's doing this because our body wants to step back to get better balance. So what we want to do is we want to take advantage of this with our stance. We want to automatically take that half step back before we ever start shooting. Now, as she's got this position here, you'll see she can absorb much more recoil than she could before. Okay, so now the other thing to note is that Parisa is a right-handed shooter. That means that's her strong hand. Therefore, it was her strong foot that naturally wanted to take that half step back. 90% of the time, that's going to be the case. Your strong foot will be the one you want to be back about a half a step. Now, you see, though, when I give her significant recoil, she still is what? Rocking backwards, right? So how can we fix this? Parisa, remember the trick we talked about?
Stick your butt out.
Stick your butt out, because that causes the weight of our body to come over the balls of our feet. So Parisa, go ahead and stick your butt out for us. Good. Now that she's got her butt sticking out, now watch how much recoil I can give her. And you see, she stays very much securely in place. Okay, so we talked about how to get that good stance. We showed why it's important for recoil control. So again, when we're going to the range, Parisa is just going to demonstrate for us how we would want to actually stand. So Parisa, let's start with the basic stance, feet shoulder width apart. Okay, good. You see she's got her feet about shoulder width apart there. Now we want to take our strong foot about a half step back. So go ahead and step back about a half step. Perfect. And finally, we want to stick that butt out. So go ahead and stick your butt out. There you go. And now Parisa is in a good shooting stance for controlling her recoil.